we have to find the cube roots of unity. So to find cube roots of unity, we will write x equal to 1 to the power 1 by 3. क्यूब रूट फाइंड करना है, 1 का क्यूब रूट फाइंड करना है, इसलिए हम 1 के क्यूब रूट को दैट इज 1 रेज टू 1 बाय 3 को x के साथ कंपेयर करेंगे. अब क्या करना होगा, ये जो 1 का पावर 1 बाय 3 है वो पावर 1 बाय 3 निकालने के लिए वी आर क्यूबिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स, दोनों साइड पे हम क्यूबिंग करेंगे. सो x रेज टू 3 इज इक्वल टू 1 raised to 1 by 3 whole cube. So that what will happen, ये 1 by 3 का जो डिनोमिनेटर 3 है वो और ये पावर 3 दोनों का प्रोडक्ट हो जाएगा और वो कट हो जाएगा, कैंसल हो जाएगा. सो नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विथ x क्यूब इक्वल टू 1. नाउ टेकिंग दिस 1 ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, उससे हमारा एक क्यूबिक इक्वेशन बन जाएगा x क्यूब माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0. We can write this one as x cube minus 1 cube equal to 0. This is like a cube minus b cube. So we have to find the factors of this. Okay, let us recall. पहले हम यहाँ पे उसका रीजन लिखेंगे. Because we know the rule, a cube minus b cube is nothing but a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we'll apply this rule here in x cube minus 1 cube equal to 0. So the first term will be a minus b. That means it will become x minus 1. In another bracket, it will become a square plus ab plus b square. So that will become x cube plus x into 1, not x cube, but it is x square plus x into 1 plus b square, that is 1 square, and again is equal to 0. So on simplifying, we will get the first factor is x minus 1, another factor is x cube. Why I'm writing x cube? It is x square, I'm sorry for that. It is x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So it has got this cubic equation, x cube minus 1 equal to 0, has got two factors. One is x minus 1, another one is x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So x minus 1 equal to 0 is our first option, or you can say x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. That is our another factor. This one is very simple because it's a linear equation. So taking this minus 1 on the right hand side, we will get x equal to 1. So our one of the cube roots of unity is ready, which is x equal to 1. Now x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. As you know, it is the quadratic equation. I'm not writing the whole. It is the quadratic equation. And we can solve this quadratic equation by the discriminant method. So solution to this is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. But we have to have the knowledge of ABC. As you know, a is the coefficient of x square. So here x square is having the coefficient 1. So here you can say a is 1. B is the coefficient of x, which is again 1 here. So we'll write b to be equal to 1. And c, the last term, the constant term, which is equal to 1. So now we are going to put the value of this a, b and c in this discriminant method. So we'll get x is equal to minus b. The value of b is 1, so minus 1 plus or minus root of b square, that is square of 1 minus 4 into a is again 1, c is also 1, square root complete, divided by 2a, that is 2 into 1. Now it's time to simplify, and therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2 ones are 2. And therefore you can say x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 3 by 2. Now here you have to be very careful. We know that root of minus 3 can be written as root of 3 into root of minus 1. And as we know, root of minus 1 is nothing but I, the imaginary number. So you have to use this result in the further steps. And therefore you can say x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 3 now can be written as root 3 times I by 2. So this is going to give you two more factors of this cubic equation. So the second answer, the second cube roots of unity is minus 1 plus root 3i by 2. Sometimes we write this one as omega, and another one is x is equal to minus 1 minus root 3i by 2, and we write this one as omega square. So the conclusion is, thus you can say cube roots of unity, cube roots of unity are, the first one is 1, which is here, the second one is here, and the third one is here. The second one is, you can say omega. Let me write down clearly. It is omega is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 I. Remember, I is not in the root, I is outside the root of 3. And the last one, the third one, is omega square equal to minus 1 minus root 3 times I by 2. Now, sometimes we can write minus 1 plus root 3i by 2 as omega square. Then definitely your omega will be minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. So it is vice versa. जैसे यहाँ पे इसको ओमेगा बोला है, आप इसको ओमेगा बोलोगे, किसको? माइनस 1 माइनस रूट 3i by 2 को अगर हमने ओमेगा बोला तो ये अपना ओमेगा स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. सो दिस वन 1, 2 and 3, they are the cube roots of unity. I hope आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा.